Hi guys, my name is Maite and I work here at SlabWare, and today I'm going to make a little tutorial to show you how to use our CRM on the app. So to start our tutorial, we're going to show you how to add some information inside the CRM on the app. So here we are with the mobile phone where I'm going to show you how the CRM works on the app. Here is the CRM. Here you have all the features like the tasks, the notes, the emails, calls, and meetings. And to add some information, you just click on the plus sign, and here you have all the features available to the CRM. So to start using the CRM, I am going to add a call I had with my customer earlier today. So I am going to fill the start date, the finish date, the title, the customer, and the contact. And here in notes, I am going to add what was discussed. Once we finish this, we just click here in confirm, and this task that started today and finished today is registered. So to follow up with this call with Liam, he asked for a meeting. So I'm going to go here on the plus sign, task, and I'm going to fill the information, the start date, the finish date, the title, the customer, the contact, and the note. Once we do this, we click here on confirm, and the task is added. So to follow up with this meeting with Liam, I am going to go inside meeting, and I am going to add once the meeting was over, the title, the contact, and the note. And I'll click here in confirm. So this is the flow to use the CRM on the app. So now that you know how the CRM flow works, you can use the strategy that is best for your company. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. If you have any doubts or need some support, you can always contact our team, and see you next video.